Hey guys, it's your girl Esther, aka Bunny, aka Bun Bun, aka Buns, aka Bun, and if you are a returning subscriber, what's up? And if you have not subscribed, you might as well go ahead and click that subscribe button that's over. And click that bell notification, and don't forget to shoot this video a thumbs up, even though you don't even know what I'm going to be talking about in it. But other than that, go ahead. You know, I always give you what you need. But I don't want to trigger anybody, just giving you a heads up. I'm just giving you my honest opinion about the subject. So, yeah, commencing. Before I get to the video, I want to thank everybody that's commented in my videos and also have given me suggestions on some topics. And one of the topics that really stuck out to me is hair growth shampoos, or health aid in growing your hair in a shampoo. And I'm going to tell you, I don't promote that here, and I do not advertise it here because I don't use it personally, and it's only for one specific reason. It's a really simple reason, and I don't want you to feel offended because what might work for you won't work for others. And also, I don't know why would I use it. There isn't a real reason for me to use it. So, yeah, just wanted to give that warning out there. Okay, so, the main reason why I don't use these type of shampoos is because why would I put something in my hair that I'm going to wash out when it's supposed to help my hair grow? So, if I can't make sense of that, I wouldn't want to use it. Yes, I know there's biotin ingredients added to the shampoos. Yes, there are other things that are added to the shampoo. But what is the purpose of a shampoo? What was it? Okay, to cleanse, to clarify, to clean out the gunky stuff out of your scalp. So, if I'm doing this, I'm wasting the product's material. Make it make sense. I need you to give it back to me. And if I am incorrect, you can leave a comment down below. And if there are any scientists out there, you can leave a comment down below. So for me, my opinion, that is the reason why I don't post any hair growth shampoos here. Because at the end of the day, if I want my hair to grow faster and healthier, I would want a clean scalp. To clarify my scalp, get rid of whatever gunk that's in it, then replace it with nutrients in a serum or an oil. So, take this message as you please. I'm only giving it to you because a lot of people have been requesting this, and this is my answer. I do want to add a small notation to this. If you are wanting hair growth and healthy hair growth, you need to stick to a regimen. And when you stick to that regimen, and if you wash your hair every 1 to 3 days, that's okay. If you wash it every 1 to 6 days, that's great. If you wash it every month, that's awesome. If you wash it every 2 to 4 months, that's amazing. Whatever works for you in that regimen and you see it blossoming, continue to use it. If you do not see a change, shred it and discard it and revive it. Alrighty, so we have reached the end of the video, and listen. please don't at me, okay? These are purely my opinion of why I don't use these types of shampoo. And if you use these types of shampoo, comment down below if you have seen any improvements on your end. Give some suggestions to those that might need it. I don't use these types of things, but we are a community helping each other. All right. Anyways, thanks so much for watching this video. I appreciate you so much, and I will see you guys on the flip side. Bye.